Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. In today's video, I'm going to create a dice, but it's a special dice. So, you've probably seen a dice before on the microbit. When you shake it, it'll give you a number between 1 and 6, or between any numbers that you choose to put in. However, once you've programmed it, that's it set. It can only do between those two numbers. I thought, let's make it adjustable. So this means when I press button A, I can reduce the number. So this will choose a number between 1 and 4 now. Okay. But the other way on button B, I can increase the number. And I can increase it to more than 10. 9 is nice because it shows on the dice like that, but I can increase it even more and it will show numbers between 1 and 10 and beyond. So let's have a go at coding this. So to create our adjustable dice, we first have to create a variable, and we're going to call this highest number, and that will be used throughout this. So first we're going to set highest number on start, and we're going to set it to 6 because 6 is the usual highest number on a dice, so that's where we're going to start the adjustment from. Let's also we'll put in input, let's go on shake, and let's have the dice. So that is show number, so on shake, show number, and then we need to go to math and pick random, and we'll pick random between 1 and our highest number. So at the moment, without anything else, when I shake it, it is going to pick a random number between 1 and 6 at the moment. But we want this to be adjustable. So we're going to have it adjustable on A and B buttons. So I'm going to get out my on button A pressed, and I'm going to get out my on button B pressed. So I'll just change that to B. So for each of these, we want to change the variable. So let's have change highest number. And I'm just going to duplicate that so I have the same thing in both columns. I'm going to hide that for a second so we have more space here. So highest number, highest number. We'll change one of them by -1. I'm going to choose A just because it seems to make more sense to me to have A being the one on the left because numbers are smaller as you go left, bigger as you go right. So we have minus here, and then we're going to have a show number just so that we know that we've changed something. So we've got two show numbers, and we need the show number, the highest number here, and highest number there. And then that's all very well, but I've developed this code because if you press A, it's going to keep that highest number on there. So what we want to do is for each of them, we're going to clear the screen. I then, when I was developing this, also found that this is all very well when it works, but you can then go into minus numbers. And minus numbers, that just doesn't make sense for a dice. So I'm going to add a bit that stops us having a negative number in here. So that's going to be on button A because that's the one that's counting down. The other one will just keep going. So we put an if statement in over the top of all of this. And I'm going to have a comparison. So I'm just going to drag this one and I'm going to make my comparison the other way round. I'm going to have my highest number here. So this now reads, if the highest number is greater than 0, then you can change it. If it's not, then it won't happen. Nothing else will happen. So that works there. You could, if you wanted, add an if statement in here and say if highest number is greater than whatever you want the highest number to be, maybe it's 10, then it won't do it. But I'm going to leave it that you could have a dice with 1,000 if you press the button that many times. So that is my dice. You can download that and have a go with it on your microbit.